it's Debbie from Ask Debbie About Hair and the Changing Faces Hair Clinic. Remember April, my model that I used when I introduced my Silk and Honey hair mask? Well, now I am looking for some new models. So I'm looking for you if you want to be my hair model, because I am showing some of my new DIY hair recipes and I want to show you my recipes. I want to show you how I make them. I want to show you how I do them. So I need some new models. And what I'm looking for is possibly natural hair, maybe big frizzy hair, maybe dry hair, damaged hair, because I want to show how I can transform your hair into some beautiful hair, just like April. So if you would like to be my hair model, you have to live in the Atlanta, Georgia area. Please email me. You see my email here, and send me a picture and tell me why you feel you should be my model. I'll see you soon.